Hi friends, I'm Rahul. Today we are going to see about the causes, effects and drastic changes are happening in humans due to the effect of cancer. Cancer is all due to the rapid multiplication due to the causing carcinogens. It is due to the poor diet and radiation present in the atmosphere. And the geography of cancer, most of the people in Northeast, West Bengal and the southern part of India face trouble with cancer. These are all the type of cancer both sexes are determined. So this is the changing pattern and the warning signs present, and there are multiple forms of cancer in human. You are able to see lots of types of cancer like kidney cancer, pancreatic cancer, and according to a recent research, this is the drastic curve increase in the population with cancer. We are going to see about the stomach cancer. So we all know that stomach is gradually divided into fundic, cardiac and pyloric part, right? Generally, the rapid multiplication and division of cells at a particular area leads to cancer, and we are able to see the stomach. And this is one of the most we are drastically coming across breast cancer. Generally, this cancer can be determined based on the technique called mammography. And the month October is considered as the breast cancer awareness month. Not only female are affected by breast cancer, male also affected by breast cancer. And now we have come into esophageal cancer. This is the intake of tobacco and smoking which major causes the depletion of the esophagus. And lollipop day is for the awareness of esophagus cancer, and this is of course the oral cancer which many of us are aware of. It's all due to the intake of tobacco. The palatin rugae present in the mouth drastically depletes due to the intake of carcinogenic materials like tobacco, smoking, and even sometimes the hot food which are toxic, that are carcinogens, may also lead to cancer. Yeah, we are able to see the nerve checkup are the only way to diagnose or determine the oral cancer. Now we are into the lung cancer. So lung, the pericardial fluid is entirely damaged due to the effect of lung cancer. The person suffering with lung cancer gets persistent cough, is affected by wheezing and asthma. Lung cancer is mainly caused due to the air pollution, maybe due to the genetics, maybe due to the radon gas present in the atmosphere. So child cancer is one of the major problem nowadays. What did the child do? They have not committed any type of
The children did not do
any
any
type of.
mistakes.
So here we are able to see the actual pie chart of what are all the tumors we are generally coming across. And genetic cancer is caused due to the radiation, aging, pollution, environment, disease, and all those sorts of things. And the important cancer we are all fearless of brain cancer. And why do we get brain cancer? It's all due to the enlargement in the technologies and the usage of cell phones. Carcinogens are nothing but the cancer causing organisms, or maybe the cancer causing agents are nothing but the carcinogens, which are very harmful to the humans. So generally we think that these foods are very healthy and they are tasty, even they give nutrition to us, but they just cause cancer. They are also considered as some of the carcinogens. So this is how the entire human body is affected due to the cancer. And these are all the various proportions in which each and every one of the Indian population die due to the cancer. So there are treatments for cancer. Some of the treatments are hormone therapy, surgery, immunotherapy, radiation therapy, and chemotherapy as well. And even the drinking water what we drink have carcinogens like arsenic and chromium 4. These are all the variety of technologies that have been recently introduced in India and as well as in the foreign countries in order to eradicate cancer. This all comes under the radiotherapy, and this is nothing but the biopsy by which cancer is determined, and bone marrow transplantation is also done. Cancer is one of the drastic and major threat to the everlasting humans in the world. And one of the important thing we are supposed to avoid is we are not supposed to intake tobacco, smoking, which injures our health. We are not supposed to intake beers, and the most important thing, we are supposed to do exercise regularly. Thank you. Friends, I hope you enjoyed this video.